Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset Samsung Galaxy M56. Alright, so let's begin. So we have two methods how we can reset this phone, and I'm gonna show you both of them. So the first and recommended method, when we have normal access to the device and it's working properly, it's not lagging, it's responsive, is simply by the settings. So let's open up our settings. And now let's scroll down into the bottom, click on General Management, and now we have option to reset. Remember that all of your data will be lost. So in here you can also create a backup. If you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you the whole process, so if you want you can look for it. And now we want to find factory data reset. Now simply click on that. Now you can read what will be erased from your phone, which things, and now all you need to do is to tap on this blue button, reset. Then if you do everything properly, your device will be turned off, then turned on again, and next thing you need to do is to simply set up your device. But there's also the second method, which I'm going to show you right now, and this option is from recovery mode. To do it, first we need to power off our device. So let's hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. And now let's tap on power off. Okay, let's tap again. Okay, and now you need to plug your phone into a laptop or the PC using the USB-C cable. You can see that it's loading. And now to get access into the recovery mode, we need to hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So let's keep on holding. Alright, we can release from the power button, but keep holding the volume up. And now we are in the recovery mode. Now, using the volume keys, we need to select wipe data / factory reset. Now confirm by clicking the power button. Now select the second option. I don't know why it's in Spanish, but that's not about it. Now confirm by clicking on the power button. You can now see on the bottom of the screen that data wipe has been completed. Now select reboot system now. Confirm by clicking the power button. And now, just like in the previous case, all you need to do now is to wait until your phone turns on, and you need to set it up. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.